Today we will see awesome shortcut trick, that is how to multiply any number by 6. Let's take an example. First start with a small number. Suppose if we have a number 16. If you want to multiply by 6, then the shortcut trick is, so whatever you have the unit digit, you just write it as it is, and then what you have a number, you have 16. So the 16 you have to take half of the 16. So half of the 16 is 8. For that 8, you just add the tens digit, which is 1. So 8 plus 1, which gives 9. So 9, write it here. So 16 times 6 is 96. Let's take one more. Suppose if we have a 18. 18 times 6. So what we have to do, whatever you have the unit digit, you just write as it is. So the given number is 18. Take the half of the 18. What is the half of the 18? 9. For this 9, you just add your tens digit, which we have 1. So 9 plus 1, 10. You just write your 10 in front of your unit digit. So 18 times 6, which gives 108. Let's take one more. Suppose if we have a number 24. 24 times 6. So what I have to first write the unit digit as it is. So unit digit is 4. You just write 4. Then whatever the given number, we have 24. So you have to take half of the 24. What is the half of the 24? It is 12. So for this 12, you just add the tens digit, 2. So 12 plus 2, which gives 14. So that is 24 times 6. The result is 144. Let's take 58. You just write the unit digit as it is. Then 58 half is 29. Then add the tens digit, which we have 5. So up 29 plus 5, which gives 34. So 58 times 6, which gives 348. So like that simply we can do times 6. Let's take one more number. Suppose if we have a 92. If you want 2 times 6. So what you have to write the unit digit as it is, which we have 2. This whole number, what we have 92. You just take it half. So 92 half is 46. 46, you just add your tens digit. So that's it. After adding 46 plus 9, you are going to get 55. So 92 times 6, which gives 552. So like that within 2 seconds, we can do this multiplication. You have to remember, this trick is valid only for even numbers, not for the odd numbers. Let's take one more. Suppose if we have 108 times 6. So first what you have to do, whatever the unit digit, you just copy it as it is, and then take half of this whole number. What we have 108. So 108 half is 54. For this 54, you just add this remaining these two numbers. What we left only 10. So 54 plus 10, which gives 64. The result is 648. Let's try one more. Suppose if we have 124. You have to do times 6. So whatever the unit digit, you just write it as it is. Then take the whole number which we have 124. So for that 124, you have to take half of this 124. Then we are going to get 62. For this 62, here after taking the unit digit here, what we left only 12. So that 12 you have to add it. For the 62, you just add the 12. That means you just add the remaining digits. Then you are going to get 74. So 124 times 6, which gives 744. Let's take one more. 186 times 6. So the unit digit as it is, you write it here. Then you have to take half of this 186. 186 half is 93. For this 93, you just add the remaining number. After taking the unit digit here, the remaining number is 18. The remaining number you have to add for your 93. So then we are going to get 111 here. 186 times 6, the result is 1116. Suppose if we have a 2946. If you want to do times 6. Whatever the unit digit, you just write it as it is. Just write it here. Just take the whole number. What we have 2946. You have to take this half of this number. Half of the 2946 is 1473. For this 1473, you just add the remaining number. What we have 294. So after adding, then we are going to get 1764 here. You just write it here, 1767.6. So the 2946 times 6, the result is 17,676. Like that, any large number also you can do it within few seconds. Let's take one more. Suppose if we have a 38,582 times 6. So whatever the unit digit, you just write as it is, and then take the whole number which we have 38,582. Take this half of this whole number. So half of this whole number is 19,291. So for this 19,291, you just add the remaining number which we have 3,858. So after adding, then we are going to get 23149. This 23149 you just write it here. So 38,582 times 6, the result is 231,492. Is it so simple? So if you feel it is simple, I am going to give 2 questions to you. So let's try yourself and give your results in the comment section. And if you like this content, please subscribe to my channel. The questions are 582 times 6, 6,132 times 6. And remember, this trick is valid for only the even numbers, not for the odd numbers. In odd numbers, we can't take the half of that odd number. That's why this trick is only valid for even numbers.